Probably we just outgrow each other, you see?
I joke this. Brother, I could have videotape you and make you watch it now for show you where that go on around this up. That lovey-dovey something there and that rain there. No matter with them foolish stuff, brother. I joke, Aaron.
Dada, yo, what do you that in my you? That's a different energy. Right now, different thing man I pray that.
Brother, I'm here to talk to you, right? I know who is quick. Brother, that energy though you want pretty have, it unmatched. So nobody come tell me no foolish on my ears. Tell me what really I want.
Dada, you know, the means a man more I may like people get into them thing and brother. But I try you know, I am a general. You know, so what do you? Follow mama, guys thing launch. She have this doctor boy around. The man a touch her in a miggle at the lounge. A massage her back and them thing. So me say, who that be there? What the fuck boy you want? Get him a bust in the idea. But my whole piece said we and said, so alright. Go on watch it, cause now try banter and everything. You know them with him. So I go so and reach at the yard now and I hold a rims with mama. Now man that I call on phone. So I ask her about it and I say, yo, who that brother there? I come touch in her public and them something there. She gonna make me know and say, yo, the man that do him job. I feel like that. Where you suppose you hear mama go on. Dog, me not depend that, brother.
But brother, you can't blame the man, you can't blame she neither. The man a do him work, brother. So the man the free fit, you know what I mean, check to see if she alright.
Dada, come like you nasty my interview, no brother. Me not say, the man a there in my face, you know. I sting lunch with the bro. And the man a rub down woman. Look, me never pop up me thing and give him all two come. Come like yo, a boy that don't know who me, you know.
You know, so I chose still, bro. Because not even on a public, the doctor them works a public.
And that me I tell you, bro. Pretty now move right now, meds my youth. Me I want the first thing something I get wide or what.
Can you ask me what you wanna do? Are you run things? I wanna start for your show. Are you run things? Just to make a boy know. Are you run things? Well, baby, me say, are you run things? Well, alright. Ma look good, independent, and I this a champion body. I want the red stripe. No boy can't tell me for stay in a night or box me in a place. You're bright. What I know what? Me have me money, so me do what me like. Find another bad charge. You right like a... Hello? I got you independent, are you bossy? Show them your car key, show them your door key. Cause you are lead them from a my love. Yeah, they are first place, you get the trophy. If me, this man. Hello? We somebody time? Sure. Alright, get yourself together, sus.
So how you feel? Hype she get hype and she not boss it?
That me I tell my youth. Yo, you see, from a doctor show on, make you work with our doctor. Make him fix our spine. You know, I bust out spine. Me not take styling from nobody. You hear that?
Brother, bring it for you. Sometimes when you suck woman stay, brother, them want to fight for them. So if you want her, fight for her.
Dada, I understand what you were saying still now, but you know my type of fighting already, you know.
Bother with that, brother. Leave the pumpkin outside. Brother, you're a businessman, you know, brother. We have to deal with things on a professional level. Just go to your woman, brother. And show her, say, I want you. You're my woman. And nothing not dark.
You know, so I really talk here, man. That's why more time I like reason with you about them things still, you know. Cause can't make the boy come push me out so easy. If him a doctor boy have him PhD, me have my PhD too. Princess have her done.
And that me a talk about, man.
Yo, we can't have it falling.
But done with toxic relation, no serious, no anticipation. Go on no, hey move no waste man. Time up, my top back is still long. Are you a what is man? Hello?
Hey, idiot girl. How you just followed the music and the sting already?
How this?
Don't worry about who this. Worry about how the two of them are broke before sting.
You nor nobody can broke my foot. Since you're big bad and bold, so why you be in a private place to call me?
Hey girl, I'm sure say I dare you devil ling while you get that run here, you know?
David Lang. You are going on since you're big bad and bold, why you just find me? That is it.
Don't worry yourself, man. I soon see you, but you're not gonna live to tell nobody. And that me I tell you, look out for your yard and hear that girl.